Good morning, student. আজি আমি নতুন টপিক এটা লৈ আহিছো, that is over subscription. And the last class আমি ডিসকাস কৰিছিলো security premium reserve. The দুইটা question of topic ওপৰত আমি এটা question কৰিম. But before this, so what is over subscription? Over subscription. Over subscription. For example, a company issue 10,000 equity shares at the rate of 10. The public apply 13,000 shares. This is the situation of over subscription. When a company issue কৰিছে 10,000 share কিন্তু application receive কৰা হৈছে 13,000 share ৰ কাৰণে. তো কোম্পানী যিহেতু 10,000 share হে দিব পাৰিব আৰু পাব্লিকে 13,000 share ৰ কাৰণে এপ্লাই কৰিলে, remaining this 3,000 share is known as over subscription. That means when a public apply more share than issue share is known as over subscription of shares. In this situation, the director of the company, whether it rejected otherwise proportionate allotment, কোনোবাই ধৰি লোৱা 500 বিচাৰিছিলে তেওঁ 200 দিছে, কোনোবাই 1000 বিচাৰিছিলে তেওঁ 800 share দিছে, these are known as proportionate allotment. And otherwise the whole over subscription shares are rejected by director. That means the money is refunded to the shareholder. ঘূৰাই দিয়া হ'ব. So আমি এইটো over subscription আৰু security premium ওপৰত এটা question লৈ আহিছো. এই কোৱেশ্চনটো কৰিলে ভালেখিনি বস্তু বুজি পাবা. So now start. মই কোৱেশ্চন এটা লিখিছো, A limited issue 25,000 equity shares at the rate of 10 each, at the rate of 10 each, at a premium of rupees 4 per share, at premium of rupees 4 per share, payable as follow. On application to on allotment 7 including premium, first call 3, on first call 3 and final call rupees 2 per share. The application were received for 30,000 shares. Application were received for 30,000 shares. And the director allotted 25,000 shares and rejected 5,000 shares with the money received with the money received, they are refunded. Refunded. Pass journal entry. Pass journal entry. So here is the question. A Limited issued 25,000 shares at the rate of 10 each at a premium of ₹4 per share. That means the company total 10 টকা share to 14 টকাকে issue কৰিছে, which was payable on application ₹2 on allotment 7 including premium. মানে premium money to allotment হতে collect কৰা হ'ব। Here to premium ইয়াত 7 টকা ভিতৰত 4 টকা premium কমাই আছে, that means share capital 3 টকা। First call 3, final call 2. Application were received for 30,000 shares. This is the situation of oversubscription. Here company issued 25,000 shares, but public applied for 30,000 shares. And the director allotted 25,000 shares and rejected excess 5,000 shares, and which money was refunded. A director tare 30,000 share of ভিতৰত 25,000 share allot কৰিব, और बाकी 5,000 शेयर रिजेक्ट करी पैसा खिनि घुराई दिया। So pass journal entry in the books of company. So now the first entry is, what is the first entry? For application money received. Number 1, bank account debit. Bank account debit to equity share application. Here share नाम तो mention कोई थोड़ा सा, तो instead of share capital, the share application, you write equity share application. To equity share application account. So the rate of application is 2, and application received for is 30,000 share. So very important. So 30,000 into 2. 30,000 into 2, 60,000. 60,000. Being application money received on 30,000 shares at the rate of 2 per share. The second entry is for transfer. Number 2, for transfer equity share application. Equity share application account debit. The equity share application account debit, that is 30,000 into 2, 60,000. 2 equity share capital. To equity share capital. Equity share application received 30,000 into 260, but company issue only 25,000 share and director allotted 25,000 shares. So equity share capital of double 25,000 share into 2, 50,000 share. Remaining shares, that is excess shares, was rejected and money was refunded. So write to bank. আমি যেটা রিসিভ কৰিছিল bank debit হৈছিল, এটা পয়সাটো ঘূৰাই দিম 5,000 share of পয়সাটো. This 5,000 shares was refunded at the rate of 2. So to bank account 5,000 into 2, 10,000. 10,000. Being application money on 50,000 share transfer. Being application money on 25,000 share at the rate of 2, that is 50,000 were transferred to share capital and excess was refunded. This is that accounting treatment of oversubscription. Ekho bikhesh kora nai yat. Agolika same entry, bank account debit to equity share application. Application money received korise, being application money received at the rate of 2 per share. Equity share application debit to equity share capital. Out of 60, 50,000 share capital transfer hobo, baki 10,000 to refund kori ghurai diya hobo. This is the accounting treatment of oversubscription. Just bank is credited. So these are the entries for application money received and application money transfer. Now, next, allotment. And here the allotment money or premium money is included in allotment. So first entry for allotment is equity share allotment account debit. Your total rate is 7. So I mean sub 25,000 koribo lagibo, yeah, adjustment hoi gol 30,000, 25,000, 5,000. So company issued 25,000 shares. So 25,000 into 7. 25,000 into 7, 0, 0, 0. 1,75,000. Two equity shares. Capital. 2 equity share capital. Out of 7, what is the rate of shares? 3. So 25,000 into 3, 75,000. And remaining 4 is security premium. 2 security premium account. 2 security premium account. 25,000 share at the rate of 4. That is 1 lakhs. I mean, last question at when allotment money due, equity share allotment to equity share capital. But here the premium money is included in allotment. The equity share allotment to equity share capital to premium to security premium account, being allotment money due including premium. Being allotment money due including premium. Next, number 4. Allotment money received, bank account debit to equity share allotment account. Equity share allotment account 1,75,000. Being allotment money received including premium. Being allotment money received including premium. So application entry tomorrow over subscription concept to hold. In case of security premium to allotment of the adjust so premium is credited at the time of passing due entries. Now first call due. Number 5th entry, first call is 3, equity share first call, account debit to equity share capital. The first call rate is 3, 25,000 into 3, 75,000. Being first call money due on 25,000 shares at the rate of 3 per share. After due, call money, first call money is received. Bank account debit to equity shares, first call account 75,000. So first call money due hold, then first call money received, bank account debit to equity share, first call account being call money, first call money received on 25,000 share at the rate of 3 per share. The last is final call at the rate of 2. Now, seventh entry, equity share, final call, account debit to equity share, capital, number of share is 25,000, rate is to 50,000. Equity share final call to equity share capital, number of share is 25,000, rate is 2, that means 50,000 being final call money due. Now the last entry, for receipt of final call, bank account debit to equity share final call account 50,000. Equity share final call account 50,000 being final call money received. So etu question ami korilo, over subscription and security premium account, your security premium. Next, I made a question link. Jero tumhala ke ghar kori saba. Okay, write the question. A Limited issue 80,000 shares of 10 each at premium of rupees 4, at a premium of rupees 4 per share to the public. A Limited issue 80,000 shares. A Limited issue 80,000 shares at the rate of 10 each at a premium of rupees 4 per share to the public, which was payable, which was payable on application rupees 3, on allotment rupees 8, including premium, and on final call rupees 3, and on final call rupees 3 per share, rupees 3. Application for 1 lakh share were received out of which application for 20,000 shares were rejected while other applications were fully accepted. Other application were fully accepted. Pass journal entry for the above transaction. Pass journal entry for the above transaction. So these are the questions for your homework. Again, A Limited public offer korise 80,000 share 10 toka at a premium of rupees 4 per share, and which was payable total 14 toka hol, tare 3 toka tuma application of samoy, 8 toka including premium, that means 6 toka here include ase, allotment of samoy, and final call of 3 toka. Application for 1 lakh share were received. যিহেতু কোম্পানী 80,000 শেয়ার অফার কৰিছিল কিন্তু পাবলিকে 1 লাখ শেয়াৰৰ কাৰণে এপ্লিকেশন জমা দিলে কোম্পানী ৰিসিভ কৰিব, out of which the application for 20,000 share were rejected. So this is again the situation of oversubscription. তো 1 লাখৰ ভিতৰত যিহেতু 80,000 দিব পাৰিব, 20,000 শেয়াৰ ৰিজেক্ট কৰিছে, that means your পইচাটো মানি ৰিফান্ড কৰি দিয়া হ'ব, money refunded. And while other applications were fully accepted, to pass journal entry for the above transaction. So application okane duta, allotment okane duta, or final call okane duta. So there are 6 entries. So I hope it tomaloke buji pala aru etu ghorat koriba. The next topic is discount. So আমি যেহেতু পঢ়িছিলো একাউন্টিং ট্রিটমেন্ট অফ শেয়ার, আমি ফার্স্ট পার্টটো পঢ়িছিলো ফর ক্যাশ। ক্যাশত আমি ভাগ কৰি দিছিলো এট পার, যেহেতু আমি কোয়েশ্চন কৰিছো পাৰৰ ওপৰত, এট প্রিমিয়াম ইয়াৰ ওপৰত আমি কোয়েশ্চন অলৰেডি কৰিছো, এট ডিসকাউন্ট, এট ডিসকাউন্ট। And next asile for consideration other than cash, for consideration other than cash. But in case of cash, at par, at premium hold. But according to Company Act, agote Company Act asile 1956, it is Company Act 2013. So according to new Company Act, a company cannot issue share at discount. So কোনো a company cannot issue share at discount as a new Company Act 2013. So next আমি topic আহিম the issue of shares for consideration other than cash. ইয়াৰ পৰা আমি অলপমান ডিসকাস কৰিম। So in next class আমি কোয়েশ্চনস কৰিম তোমাৰ for consideration other than cash ওপৰত দুটামান কোয়েশ্চন কৰিম। So I hope কি আজি ক্লাছত মই গোটেইখিনি ভালকে বুজি পালা আৰু হোমৱৰ্কটো কৰিবা।